Hi, welcome back to video 3, and in this video we are going to develop IoT web app. So copy this path and go to our project directory and open hello Flask file. Here we have written a hello world string in the previous video, and now we are going to add a HTML file through render template. So in order to do this, we just add here the render underscore template module. Actually, this is extracted from Flask. I just added here, and so go here and create a new folder and name it as templates. So inside the templates directory, just add our index.html file. So open a new notepad file, HTML. So inside that, hello Flask from template, and close the HTML file and save it as index.html and save it inside the templates directory. I just copy this path, go to templates directory and save. I just close it, and here we just call the HTML file by render underscore template. Inside that, within double quotes, I just typed index.html. So just save this, and we just want to check whether the HTML returned the string or not. Then just type python hello flask.py, then copy the URL, go to browser, paste the URL. Yes, it works. So you are able to see hello Flask from template. Actually the template is rendering from HTML file. Then open this index.html file. We need to add some JavaScript file, JavaScript code. So just type script, close the script. So inside that, just add jQuery syntax. So inside dollar, I just added a function. We just define this function later, and below that you just create a HTML form. So why we are adding here a form is just we are going to toggle the LED in NodeMCU. So in order to do that, I just add this form. Inside the form, we have to add the switch. So I just set the ID as flip. We just tap this button, and by this tapping we will see the LEDs blink. So add a simple style. We just keep the button in left in the browser. So I added style, and now I'm going to add the switch. Later we will add the jQuery for this in the head section of HTML. So I just type option value off and copy the same for the value on. Okay, we have created successfully a switch, so we can tap so add this id flip to our function definition. So inside the round parenthesis add hash flip dot change. So inside the change function just add another function. Then go here and type, I just keep some space for add our code, and just close the function. $.getJSON, and I just come here and copy the root. So I just copied the /led root and paste here. Here we just access this root by tapping the button. So I just add the state of the flip state. Fine, we just scrap the value by adding this line dot val of. So we just finished and save this. So inside the head section we just add our jQuery library. So I have copied from web and pasted here. Yes, just copied from here and paste it here. Fine, we just saved and refresh this. Okay, we just restart the server. Okay, now we just refresh it. Yes, it works. We can tap the switch from on to off. So use this switch, we are going to toggle our LED connected with NodeMCU. So we just add some header and footer for the LED switch panel. So as add the header as NodeMCU toggle LED. And here add some footer. This makes your page good look. Okay, I just finished and save this. And now go to UPyCraft IDE, and here I just add the user ID and password for my Wi-Fi as QGen and TechReact as password in boot.py. Save this and go to main.py. here we just add the MicroPython code to access our root read. So just type from machine import pin and add import u requests, then import time. So here just configure our pin. So pin 14 is D5 pin of ESP8266. So make this code keep on sending request to our hello Flask file. So in order to do this, I just write this get request inside the while loop and inside try. So inside the try block, I just add a response equals uRequest.get of URL. So later we just add our URL here, and if response.text equals on, I just make this to on. So if we receive the response as the string on, then we just turn the LED on by adding this line LED.on. Then we just add some delay here with the help of time module, time.sleep of 2, and LED.off, and add some delay, and add except. Save this file, and we need to add the URL here. So in order to do that, just go and check the host. So go to command window and just type ipconfig and get the current IP. Then switch over to our Flask file and put this IP as host. Like type this host equals within double quotes, paste the current IP and assign the port as 5000 and save this. And then this read route is going to call by our web app by tapping the switch. So add our IP as host. So we just add the URL as http:// then type the IP we have pasted there. Just run this by clicking this run button. See here in my smartphone, I just type the same IP because the smartphone is also connected to the same network, 192.168.104:5000. I just tap this switch. Yes, the LED is blinking. Now it's turned off. So we have successfully created a web app. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you are like this. Thank you.